All right, what's up, family? So, this week I'm going to be looking for Bitcoin as far as an opportunity on Bitcoin, and I'll be sharing that with y'all as well. So, if y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all are following us and subscribe. That way, y'all don't miss out on any future trade setups that I post for y'all. As well as if you check out the description, you'll see the link to our free Telegram chat room, our website, our Instagram, Facebook, our mentoring package. All of the information is in the description. Cool. So this week on Bitcoin, I'm going to be looking for a correction towards the upside and then a move towards the downside. So I like the daily price action candlestick that just formed after we peaked into this fair value gap. So I'm going to be looking for just a small retracement within this daily candlestick. If I take the measurement of the candlestick alone, we'll be looking for a 50% to 61.8% measurement. So we'll be looking for somewhere, again, in this box, pretty much where I have it marked, as well as the premature level would be the 50%. So somewhere in this range, we can expect a potential movement on Bitcoin back towards the downside. If I refine this a little bit more and take around 50% of the FXKT, it's going to align us right there before the 61.8. So this week, personally, what I'll be looking to do is look for a correction towards the upside and then a movement back down on Bitcoin. Probably this week, I'm mainly going to be focused on Euro USD, USD CAD, NZD USD, CAD JPY, and USD JPY. So those are trades that I gave out to all of the premium team, or will be giving out to the premium team this week. So those are some of the main focuses, but I did want to give you guys an insight on what I am seeing for Bitcoin this week. So again, make sure y'all are subscribed to our channel. That way y'all don't miss out on any future setups that I post for y'all. I'm trying to be a little bit more active on the tube these days. I'm mainly on Telegram. That's pretty much where I've been for years, literally 8 years, going on 9 years. But we'll try to be a little bit more active on Instagram, Telegram, and just all the sites for y'all, so we can actually, give y'all these good value. Because I know there's just a lot of trash traders out there, and they're just steering y'all in the wrong direction. So I'm gonna try to give y'all as much education as I can to try to help y'all on y'all's personal journey in trading. So make sure y'all are following us. Also, if y'all haven't checked out the basics to Elliott Wave, as far as understanding how to trade Elliott Waves and market structure, check it out. It's on our channel. You'll also see it towards the end of this video down below. You can click on the link and get you guys some free education. So it's a lot of nuggets that I dropped in there as far as helping you guys learn how to trade and analyze and price. So check it out. If you like it, feel free to hit the thumbs up. I really appreciate it.